Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Cadillac ATS headlight bulb. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a screwdriver set, specifically with Torx head bits, to handle various fasteners. A jack and jack stands are crucial for safely lifting and supporting your vehicle. Of course, have your new 9012 headlight bulb ready. Remember, wearing gloves can prevent oils from your skin from touching the bulb, which helps extend its life. Now, let's get to the headlight assembly. Begin by safely lifting the front of your Cadillac ATS with a jack and securing it firmly with jack stands. Next, turn the front wheel inward on the side you are working on. This provides crucial access to the wheel well. You will then remove about 4 Torx screws from the wheel well splash guard. Gently pry back the splash guard to reveal the rear of the headlight housing. With access gained, it's time to replace the bulb. First, rotate the headlight bulb's cap counterclockwise to loosen and remove it from the housing. Next, carefully rotate the old bulb until it unslots, then gently pull it out. Disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. When installing the new bulb, remember not to touch the glass with your bare hands. Plug in the new bulb and carefully insert it into the housing, aligning the tabs. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Rotate the new bulb clockwise until it securely locks into its position. Reinstall the protective cap by turning it clockwise until it is snug. Carefully reposition the wheel well splash guard, ensuring it aligns correctly, and secure it with all the Torx screws. Once everything is back in place, lower your vehicle safely. Turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working perfectly, providing clear illumination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.